Welcome to NNK English Academy for the PGTRB preparation in English. We will enter into that video, Unit 5, Shakespeare's drama for the non-detailed study, Antony and Cleopatra. We have taken that most difficult questions and expected questions as well as the previous year questions we are covered in this video. This is part 1 video. More than 25 multiple choice questions where we are taken that with the answer for the fast revisions purpose. If you have any queries and comments, kindly to text me nnkenglishacademy@gmail.com. We will enter into the text. Question number 1. Shakespeare's Antony and Cleopatra. Which is the principal source of Antony and Cleopatra? The options are option A, Holinshed, option B, Pultrack, option C, Hecatomilty, option D, none. Which is the principal source of Antony and Cleopatra? The correct answer is option B, Pultrack. Next question. Who opens the play Antony and Cleopatra? The options are option A, Philo, option B, Demetrius, option C, Antony, option D, Cleopatra. Who opens the play Antony and Cleopatra? The correct answer is option A, Philo. Next question. Who is the son of Pompey the Great? The options are option A, Sextus Pompeius, option B, Ventidius, option C, Agrippa, option D, Dolabella. Who is the son of Pompey the Great? The correct answer is option A, Sextus Pompeius. Next question. Who among them is not the friend of Antony? The options are option A, Agrippa, option B, Philo, option C, Eras, option D, Ventidius. Again, question. Who among them is not the friend of Antony? The correct answer is option A, Agrippa. Next question. Who among them is the friend of Pompey? The options are option A, Tharus, option B, Dolabella, option C, Minas, option D, Decritus. Who among them is the friend of Pompey? The correct answer is option C, Minas. Next question. Who is the ambassador from Antony to Caesar? The options are option A, Candidius, option B, Varius, option C, Tharus, option D, Euphronius. Who is an ambassador from Antony to Caesar? The correct answer is option D, Euphronius. Next question. Who is the first wife of Antony? The options are option A, Fulvia, option B, Octavia, option C, Cleopatra, option D, none. Who is the first wife of an Antony? The correct answer is option A, Fulvia. Next question. Who says let Rome in a timber melt and wide arch of the arranged empire fall? The options are option A, Cleopatra, option B, Enobarbus, option C, Antony, option D, Octavius. Who says let Rome in timber melt and wide arch of the arranged empire fall? The correct answer is option C, Antony. Next question. Who says age cannot wither her nor custom stale her infinite variety? The options are option A, Antony, option B, Enobarbus, option C, Octavius Caesar, option D, Lepidus. The correct answer is option B, Enobarbus. Next question. Who is the wife of Octavius Caesar? The options are option A, Fulvia, option B, Lavia, option C, Octavia, option D, none. Who is the wife of Octavius Caesar? The correct answer is option B, Lavia. Next question. Who gave the false news of Cleopatra's death to Antony? The options are option A, Marian, option B, Charmian, option C, Alexis, option D, Arras. Who gave the false news of Cleopatra's death to Antony? The correct answer is option A, Marian. Next question, how does Cleopatra kill herself? The options are option A, she lets herself be bitten by poisonous snakes. Option B, she stabbed herself with a dagger. Option C, she jumped from the top of her mountain. Option D, she drowned herself in the Nile. How does Cleopatra kill herself? The correct answer is option A. She lets herself be bitten by poisonous snake. Next question. What does Caesar intended to do the Cleopatra's after Antony's death? The options are option A, marry her, option B, keep her on display in Rome, option C, kill her, option D, send her into exile. What does Caesar intended to do with Cleopatra after Antony's death? The correct answer is option B, keep her on display in Rome. Next question. On the night before his fight with Caesar, what sign of bad fortune do Antony's soldiers encounter? The options are option A, a full moon, option B, a black cat, option C, strange music, option D, a man with no legs. On the night before his fight with Caesar, what sign of bad fortune do Antony's soldiers encounter? The correct answer is option C, strange music. Next question. How does Antony react to Cleopatra's first flight from the battle? The options are option A, he thanked to gods for a battle is no place for a woman. Option B, he praises her assumption of the situation, assessment of the situation. Option C, he follows her and leads its troops in a retreat. Option D, he admits to Anobabus that she is an unworthy object of affection. Again the question, how does Antony react to Cleopatra's first flight from battle? The correct answer is option C, he follows her and leads his troops in a retreat. Next question, what does Cleopatra contribute to Antony's battle with Caesar? The options are option A, an army of 10,000 soldiers, option B, an amulet to protect Antony in battle, option C, a fleet of 60 ships, option D, a golden dagger. What does Cleopatra contribute to Antony's battle with Caesar? The correct answer is option C, a fleet of 60 ships. Next question, the triumvirs offer Pompey control of Sicily and Sardinia in exchange of what? The triumvirs offer Pompey control of Sicily and Sardinia in exchange of what? The options are option A, ridding the seas of pirates and furnishing Rome with supplies of wheat. His word that he will not attack any of the emperor's land or interest. Welcoming Antony on an upcoming visiting to Sicily. Option D, a percentage of your goods seized by his navy. Again, I will read that question. The triumvirs of Pompey control of Sicily and Sardinia in exchange of what? Option A, riding the seas of pirates and furnishing Rome with supplies of wheat. Option B is words that he will not attack any of the emperor lands or interest. Option C, welcoming Antony, mother, honor, upcoming visit to Sicily. Option D, a percentage of the goods seized by his navy. The correct answer is option A, raiding the seas of pirates and furnishing Rome with supplies of wheat. Next question, what solution does Agrippa propose to establish a peace between the Caesar and Antony? The options are option A, Antony should make a public apology for neglecting his duties to the emperor. Option B, Antony should turn over a portion of his kingdom to Caesar. Option C, both men should drink heartily and forget the past. Option D, Antony should marry Caesar's sister Octavia. The correct answer is option D, Antony should marry Caesar's sister Octavia. Next question, upcoming leaving Egypt, what does Antony send to her Cleopatra as a gift? The options are option A, a golden comb, option B, a snake sharp bracelet, option C, a cask of fine wine, option D, a pearl. Upon leaving Egypt, what does Antony send to Cleopatra as a gift? The correct answer is option D, a pearl. Next question, upon discovering Cleopatra's death, what order does Octavian give regarding her burial? The options are option A, that her body to be taken to the Rome to be cremated. Option B, that she be entombed in her mountain. Option C, that her body be thrown into the Nile. Option D, that she and Antony be buried side by side. The correct answer is option D, that she and Antony be buried side by side. Next question, this play is a unique among the Shakespeare's work for its enormous scope of locations. What locations are featured in this play? The options are option A, Rome, Alexandria, Mycenaeum, Memphis and Syria. Option B, Alexandria, Rome, Messenia, Mycenaeum, Syria and Actium and Athens. Option C, Rome, Alexandria, Syria, Cairo, Athens and Actium. Option D, Rome, Cairo, Athens, Messenia, Actium and Alexandria. This is most difficult question we may be to anticipated these PGTRB examinations, because of these are all the countries nearly covered in this play, so it is most difficult questions we are chosen it. Okay, kindly to focus on these locations, we can easily to identify that. So the correct answer is, the questions again I will read it. Okay, this play is unique among the Shakespeare's work for its enormous scope of locations. What locations are featured in this play? The correct answer is option B, Alexandria, Rome, Messenia and Mycenaeum, Syria, Actium and Athens. This is the correct answer of these questions. And then next question, who rules the Roman Empire when the play begins? The options are option A, Activium, option B, Octavian, Mark, Antony and Lepidus, option C, Activium with Mark, Antony, option D, Octavium and Lepidus. Who rules the Roman Empire when the play begins? The correct answer is option B, Octavian, Mark Antony and Lepidus. Next question, which character makes the famous quote, "My salad days when I was green in the judgment, cold is cold in blood to say, as I said then"? The options are option A, Lepidus, option B, Antony, option C, Cleopatra, option D, Anobabus. Which character makes the famous quote, "My salad days when I was green in judgment, cold in blood to say, as I said then"? The correct answer is option C, Cleopatra. Thanks for watching NNK English Academy. Kindly to subscribe our channel, like, comment and share. If you want to give valuable suggestion to us, kindly to text me nnkenglishacademy@gmail.com. Thank you.